Santa, look at these children. Look what good children they are.
It takes so long, Dad.
They're cleaning up.
I think that we can do this tomorrow.
It takes so long you to do it tomorrow. Maybe you should do a little more tonight, just so Santa can see what good kids you really are.
Let's just clean it all up now.
Of course, I see more books on the floor. If Santa sees that pile of books in the corner, he might have a reaction. Maybe you guys...
It was there a few minutes before we did.
Yeah, but who put them there?
Mommy probably.
Oh, yeah, maybe you guys did.
I didn't do it. I did.
Oh, then maybe you guys should show Santa how good you are so he feels better.
Well, I guess...
Santa, ignore the bad words they said a few minutes ago. Now they're going to show you how good they really are. Right, kids?
Right.
Those bad words are not what you're really like.
Daddy, is this good, Daddy?
Is what good?
Stepping on boxes.
Yeah, it is if it goes into recycling.